Welcome to Viretonaa TV. Today, I'm going to talk about the human conflicts. Everybody, almost all the population, every individuals, 99.9% of the individuals after married life, they face the problem. The problem eventually ends to struggle, divorce, separation, frustration. Sometimes it can end the human's life. The topic is on marital conflict. Why after marriage, after loving each other, after accepting as a life partner, after accepting as a companion, good human being, good lover, better off. Why after marriage, after 2 months, after 3 months, even after living together for more than 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, even after 40 years, why we develop conflict? Sometimes we undermine the conflicts. They may go together in their life, but the inner struggle always remains forever. Very few, less than 0.5% people, they may live happily forever in their marital life. In this video, I am going to give 10 important tips. You can consider as a tips or points or valuable information to solve the conflicts and how to lead happy life after marriage. Welcome, dear listener, Viretonaa TV. Today, we dive into a tender and essential topic: how couples can gently dissolve daily conflicts, soften ego struggles, and navigate complex emotional moments with compassion and awareness. Marriage is a profound journey, sometimes joyful, sometimes challenging, but always filled with opportunities for growth and connection. In this episode, we will explore 10 heartfelt, practical, and deeply human ways to create harmony. Let this be a gentle companion for your heart. Pause before reacting. Any conflict, any argument between you and your partner, just take a deep breath. Don't react immediately and pause for a moment. 10 seconds, 15 seconds, or 20, 25 seconds. Pause a moment. In moments of tension, our instinct is to defend ourselves, but a pause is a gift to you and to your partner. It gives the emotions time to settle and your heart time to speak. Before reacting, take a moment to breathe, soften, and feel. This pause prevents misunderstanding and protects the bond you share. When you respond from calmness instead of anger, love enters the space. So, pause is important way of reducing the conflicts and solving our conflicts. Point number 2. Speak to understand, not to win. When conflicts arises, shift your intention from winning to understanding. Let your voice soften. Say things like, help me understand, or tell me what you are feeling. In that moment, you are choosing connection instead of confrontation. When your partner feels understood, the walls between you gently fall. Remember, in love, understanding matters more than being right. Point number 3. Replace ego with the spirit of we. There should not be ego between the partners, but we always feel ego is very important for every individual, even before marriage or after marriage. Let the idea of we gently take the place of me versus you. Ego divides, but togetherness heals. When challenges arise, Remind yourself softly, we are on the same team. This mindset turns conflicts into shared journeys rather than battles. It invites unity, dissolves tension, and strengthens the fabric of your relationship. Point number 4. Practice gentle listening. Sometimes the most of loving things you can offer is silence. Warm, attentive, accepting silence. Listen without interrupting, without planning your response. Let your partner speak their heart. Gentle listening makes the other person feel valued, respected, and safe. It says, your feelings matter to me, and often that alone can melt the conflict. Point number 5. Leave the past in the past. When disagreement arises, avoid bringing old hurts into the present moment. The past is heavy, and carrying it into every discussion creates unnecessary pain. Focus on what is happening now, the present, where growth and healings are possible. By letting go of old wounds, you create space for a lighter, more loving connection. Hear the feelings beneath the words. Point number 6. Hear the feelings beneath the words. Every short word comes from soft place inside. A need for reassurance, attention, respect, or comfort. Instead of reacting to how something is said, try to understand why it was said. Ask gently, are you feeling overwhelmed? Or do you need support? When you listen to the heart instead of tone, healing becomes natural. Point number 7. Practice daily kindness between your partners. Daily. Don't remember your previous yesterday or previous year's conflicts and bitterness and hurt wounds between the couples. Because the marriage, the reunion or union of human is divine. Kindness is a small seed with enormous power. Simple gestures, a warm hug, a loving message, a thank you, bring sweetness into the relationship. Choose kindness even when stress is high. Choose tenderness even when tired. These small acts slowly transform the emotional climate of your home and deepen your closeness. Point number 8. Create safe communication boundaries. Agree together on few gentle boundaries. No shouting, no insults, no heavy conversations when either of you exhausted or upset. Boundaries are not restrictions. They protect your heart. They create a safe emotional environment when love can speak softly and clearly. Point number 9. Respect and celebrate differences. You and your partner are two unique human beings with different habits, perspectives, and way of expressing love. Instead of resisting these differences, appreciate them. They bring balance and richness to the relationship. Respecting differences turns conflict into curiosity, and curiosity leads to deeper love. Point number 10. Solve problem as a team. When a problem arises, imagine sitting together on the same side of the table, looking at the issue as a shared challenge. It's never you versus your partner. It's always both of you versus the problem. The mindset builds trust, partnership, and unity. Togetherness is the true strength of marriage. Don't forget it. Because the marriage is here, divine wine, uniting two minds and two souls. The two minds should become one mind. The two souls become one soul after marriage, after loving. If you are not able to see the difference, if you are not able to unite both the minds into one, both the souls into one, the problem arises. There will be continuous, everlasting struggle, misunderstanding, hurts, cheating, lot of neurotic behaviors may happen. You cannot get rid of the problems. To live a happy married life, at the heart of every conflict lies an opportunity, a chance to slow down, listen, understand, and reconnect. Choose compassion over ego, curiosity over judgment, and unity over separation. When love becomes conscious, every challenge becomes a doorway to deepen intimacy. Thank you for joining this gentle journey today. May your relationship be filled with patience, understanding, and quiet, enduring love. Thank you once again.